Error code 272 in Roblox means you were disconnected due to a security key mismatch, usually because the game detected exploits or cheating software loaded on your device. Here's a complete step-by-step guide to fix it and get back to gaming safely. Step 1. Rejoin the game. Open Roblox, find the game, and try joining a new server. Sometimes this error is a one-time glitch and reconnecting can resolve it quickly. Step 2. Check for exploits or third-party software. Error 272 often triggers when Roblox detects cheating tools, hacks, or unauthorized scripts running on your device. If you're using any exploits, mods, or cheat software, uninstall them immediately. Go to your device's app settings or control panel, find any suspicious programs, and remove them. Avoid downloading software from untrusted sources, as they can trigger this error. Step 3. Scan for malware. Exploits or malicious software could be running without your knowledge. On Windows, run Windows Defender or your antivirus program to scan for and remove any threats. On mobile devices, use a trusted antivirus app from your App Store. Restart your device after the scan to ensure it's clean. Step 4. Clear Roblox app data. A corrupted app cache can sometimes cause a false security mismatch. On your device, go to Roblox's app settings and clear the cache. For PCs, uninstall Roblox via control panel, then reinstall it from roblox.com. On mobile, delete the app and re-download it from your App Store. After reinstalling, log in and try joining the game again. Step 5. Check your internet connection. A shaky connection can occasionally cause errors that mimic security issues. Google Internet Speed Test to check your ping and download speed. If it's slow or unstable, move closer to your router, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi, or use a wired connection. Unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in to reset it if needed. Step 6. Free up bandwidth. Apps or tabs like streaming, downloads, or video calls can interfere with Roblox's connection, potentially triggering errors. Close everything you don't need to give Roblox a stable connection. Step 7. Optimize your device. If your device is slow, it might struggle to sync with Roblox's security checks. Go to the game settings and lower graphics quality. Turn off shadows or effects. Close background apps to free up memory, especially on phones or older PCs. Step 8. Restart Roblox or your device. Close the Roblox app completely, wait a minute, and reopen it. If the error persists, reboot your phone, PC, or console to clear any temporary glitches causing the mismatch. Step 9. Check for server issues. Though rare for Error 272, server-side problems can sometimes cause disconnects. Visit downdetector.com or check Roblox's official X account for reports of outages or maintenance. You can also go to status.roblox.com to see if there's platform-wide issues. If servers are down, wait and try again later. Step 10. Secure your account. A compromised account could be running exploits remotely. Go to roblox.com, log in, and click the gear for settings. Select Security, check active sessions, and log out of any unfamiliar devices by clicking the arrow and selecting Log Out. For a full reset, click Log Out of all other sessions. Then, change your password to a strong one and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to lock down your account. Step 11. Contact Roblox support. If you're sure no exploits are running and the error keeps happening, it might be a false detection. Visit help.roblox.com and submit a support ticket. Include your username, the game name, error code 272, and a detailed description of what happened, like the steps you've tried and whether you were using any mods. Be patient for their response, as it may take a few days. Step 12. Appeal a ban if necessary. If you were mistakenly flagged for exploits, you might be banned from the game. Check the game's Roblox page or website for its rules and ban appeal process. Submit an appeal through the game's support link, usually found in the game description, with your username and an explanation that you weren't using exploits. Point 1 final tip. To avoid Error 272 in the future, never use third-party software, cheats, or scripts with Roblox, as they violate the terms of service and can lead to bans. Stick to official downloads and play on trusted devices. If you're playing on a shared or public device, ensure no one else has installed suspicious software. That's everything to fix error code 272. Follow these steps, and you should be back in Roblox without issues. Like if this saved your game, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and fixes. Keep gaming clean and safe.